chair. Can you get off my chair, Kaylin?
Why can't you just use the other chair right here next to me? On the left.
No, because you know why,
What?
Kaylin?
What?
Because this is right in front of, this is right across from the street.
Ooh, chair. Ooh.
Don't show me, Kaylin.
I'm not. I'm just showing the bottom. A puppy. A puppy. Wow.